maabigtan kasantun labi at sikay namin. Pagbalay kay salamat at panangaryo. Sa ipapari, naligay dagupan, sa sangka, maungan, at inturon mundo. On! We are priests because of God, and we are priests because of you. We offer this concert to God, the highest fans of all fans. We sang and danced tonight to tell you all, balbalag na salamat. The priests of Linggen Dagupan are the best in the world, and you, our dear parishioners, are the best parishioners in the world. We love you all. Hands raised up in prayer, hands that bless and pardon, hands that touch to heal the sick, reach out to all in need. Use these hands, O Lord, to gather all your children, to become one body and become one people through these hands, anointed for your works. Voices to proclaim, words of your salvation, voice of comfort to the soul, light to every soul. Use this voice, O Lord, to create the power of your word, which will be for mercy to be bold to the Lord. With his voice, we sing a hymn of praise. Priestly hands, priestly voice, for the people to rejoice. Priestly hands, priestly voice, offering to the world what you love. Hands and voice, we acclaim your glory. Through these hands and voice we came, the apostles began to say.
Sorry. Can you distribute the mics?